finish this one today because it has to film. If we don't finish this one today, we have nothing for film. So what's up, people?
So you're doing it for them?
Yeah. Rápido, we have to do it clean, okay? Don't fucking around like making a Mickey Mouse. Whee! Little glue right there, you see? We need to clean it. And we use triple. Triple doesn't mess up the paint and doesn't. It's just the Rolls Royce rim. It's when we use the nails, okay? No nails for something else, no.
I don't even know why you're not ratting him out. He talks so much shit about you. Every day he talks shit about you.
He has the reasons.
Yeah.
He has,
so
Give me 5.
he has his own reasons to grab me.
Hey, give me 5.
Another one.
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. No, the guy sweat.
Yeah, what is this stupid guy doing?
Huh?
Why you don't hold it?
Huh?
Why you don't hold it?
Porque tú puedes, güey. Okay, you wanna see? Why no? You wanna? No quiere. If he holding, it's gonna be like this.
Oh, he shakes.
See,
Why?
I don't know.
This new Cullinan is coming out to a beautiful one, huh?
I don't care.
Widebody Cullinan coming right out. What the hell are you guys listening to?
Que llegaron el aparato, que llegaron el aparato, que llegaron el aparato, que llegaron el aparato.
Whatever happened to regular music?
I don't know, man.
You like the Beatles?
Of course.
So why don't you listen to the Beatles? Who the hell is this guy? This guy's some random guy out of 7-Eleven who's singing.
Que llegaron el aparato, que llegaron el aparato.
Worst music.
You dancing, güey. Que llegaron el aparato, que llegaron el aparato, que llegaron el aparato.
We have Luis. His new nickname is Luis. What's slow in Spanish?
Despacio.
What?
Despacio.
Despacio. Luis Despacio Ruiz. That's his new name. Anyways, this Cullinan, this Gushon, you
Why?
can fix it immediately. Fix that.
Why?
Immediately fix that.
No, why the
Fix it fast. Come on.
why
Alright.
the Despacio way?
Because I need to film this car and we have 1 hour left. This whole Cullinan body kit was not on there today, and a couple hours later, we're getting there. We're trying to finish it to film it, to release it for you guys. This is the 1016 Industries wide body kit, and it has the new version of the front bumper. So we're super excited to show that off because version 1 of this bumper was a little subjective looking, and the version 2 is a lot cleaner. It changed the whole front of it. We also don't even have the wheels. Forgiato and the customer had a deal for the wheels, and the wheels are not here yet. We have some other used temporary wheels we're gonna throw on there. Honestly, still a good wheel, so we're gonna be putting that. And it's a white example, so really dope to show white with body kits, obviously. So Luis is gonna hurry up here, hopefully, and we're gonna take it out. We haven't released new merch for a while. You guys already know October, Halloween is one of our favorite months. So we went ahead and did a Halloween only shirt. This is getting released today when you see this video. This is our t-shirt with that vintage colorway. And this is our hoodie also with that vintage colorway. But we went bigger graphic this time. Winter's coming up, so the hoodie's gonna be great. This is the highest quality stuff you could get. It's better than most designer brands. They're not blanks that we purchased from somewhere. These are made just for RDB. So get on rdb.com, get the t-shirt, get the hoodie, and enjoy.
If you don't have anything, you keep your job.
Oh.
Look. Give it to Chiquito. Chiquito!
He has Yeezys on, but he's picking up pennies.
Hey, fuck.
Phone?
Yeah.
You see her? What is this?
RGB.
Okay, you're clear. Chiquito, come here. Come at 8, remove the tape, don't be late. Don't be fake. Okay? So that just...
That's nice. Try again?
Try
again.
No.
Try again. Try again.
Okay, so next time whenever someone says something, you say, don't say, how you tell me? It's...
No, how you call me?
No, not how you call me. What did you call me? Or what did you say? Not how you call me. How you call me is basically if I called you with something and you asked me how I called you. And I would say a phone.
How you can call me by phone? Mejor que no vuelva, porque ya no quiero saber de su vida.
Go slap his ass really hard.
Huh?
Nice haircut.
Oh yeah?
You're handsome.
You like it?
What are you doing?
Don't tell me you like it because somebody gonna get mad. It's gonna come out beautiful. Simón, vato. That's it right now. Everybody's going home. It's quiet. I like to work like that too.
Nice.
Yeah. That's with my music. Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!